Mount for a 2010 Sportsman, not Ranger, Sportsman 500. Sure, it fits a lot of other models. I'm going to have the link in the description below. I've had a lot of questions about it, and I don't have any answers, so I was like, I'm going to make them myself. A lot of people don't do the unboxing on this, they just show you the install. You got your bolts self-tapping through the... Oh, somebody interrupted me, so I gotta redo this. These go through the frame. There's self-drilling ones. I'm going to be making the video on installing this too. I think it fits from 06 to 2010. Them self-drill. They're not pre-threaded. And then it looks like there's two nuts, and them would be for the front bracket. This is going to be, that's for a chain style, not a synthetic rope. Here is the bracket. It is just painted, not powder coated. That's kind of a disappointment. This was on Amazon for $41. There is other ones. eBay has a few. I just assume they're all probably the same. If you want to see any of this, pause, screenshot it, and then zoom up with your fingers. And then here's the bracket that goes to the four-wheeler. It is a very simple process. There's only 4 bolts on the front to at least mount this. Not saying it's easy to do the wiring. But my question was, this goes on there like that. So the instruction shows, I think. Yep. Oh, the rib comes at you. So the rib comes at you. There's a little rib right here. I was wondering if it can be flipped. If there's more... No, they are lying to you. That does not clear the rib. Oh, yeah, it does. Why didn't it like when I was like that? Okay. I wanted to see if it can be mounted on the right side or the left side. That would be right side. And over here would be left side. I have not seen anyone say that. That's if it's on the driver's side of your four-wheeler, even though you sit in the middle. And this would be if you want it on the passenger side. I seen a younger kid had a video, and he put his on the or he flipped his. And looks like you put your wires through there. So I want this to be mounted either way to where I can put the wires through there with no problem. Yeah, that'll work perfect. Yep. I don't know if you flip this way or that way. We'll figure all that out in the assembling video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.